So Lou and I get asked all the time how we shower in our van. And honestly, I had the same question at first, but we have found a bunch of different solutions. And I feel like, I don't know, staying clean in a van is really an important topic because it is much more difficult when you don't have unlimited running water to stay clean. And so that's why I thought this video, I could show you my favorite ways to shower or shower substitutes when you don't have a lot of water. And then, yeah, then you'll understand a bit more about van life, and thought it would be a silly but informative video to share. So, our go-to when it comes to showering in the van is this trusty hanging shower bag. So all we do with this is we just fill it with water and we hang it on the side of our van. And if you wanted to, you could hang it out in the morning and it could warm up with the sun and then you could have a warm shower. But we never really have that much foresight or care that much about having to take a cold shower. So with this, life has gotten much better. The only thing I'd say is that when you first start van life and you have an outdoor shower like this, you might be like a little bit nervous. I definitely didn't like showering at first in public around other people, but over time I just lost my modesty and now I can shower in a parking lot or crowded places, obviously in my bathing suit. But yeah, it's definitely like weird, but at the same time, we live in a van. We don't have like a private bathroom with a shower to take in. So I think it's fine and we haven't gotten any complaints about it. So this works really well. Sometimes you have to get creative. So that's when things like a sponge bath or baby wipes or face wipes come in really, really handy. Lou and I have gotten used to not showering every day. I think that is something that has like a bit of a learning curve in a van. When we lived in an apartment, showered every day, like most people. But when we got into the van, slowly we just have gotten used to not showering all the time. And especially if we're by the ocean works great for a shower. The other thing is that sometimes the world will just present you showers in the most beautiful and surprising ways, and we have stumbled upon some incredible outdoor free public showers during our time in this van and in other vans that we've been traveling in. So I thought it might be fun to run you through a few of my favorite strange but amazing public showers that we've found along our journey on the road. So one of those showers that I loved, we found in Portugal. It was like in this, almost like a grove of trees, and we were so happy that we could sneak Odie in there and park. But then we looked by the river and we were like, wait a minute, I think that's the shower. And it was a water wheel in the river, constantly picking up water and putting it into a public shower. So we were really excited about that because we were in the middle of inland Portugal and stumbled upon a shower. So it's not just beach showers. That's normally where we find them, by the beach, because when you're lucky enough, there will be public showers at a beach, and that's really nice. You can get the sand off your feet before you bring it all back into your car and into your bed and things like that. But so beach showers are obviously super common, but that one in the middle of a forest was really cool on the river. Another crazy shower that we found was in Iceland, and we were just on a main road doing different sightseeing things. I think we were going to some sort of crater or some sort of geyser or anything you do in Iceland. And it turned out there was just a shower in a parking lot with constant hot water from the sulfur, or what's it called?
Geothermal.
The geothermal water was just bringing hot water to the shower constantly. So even though it was freezing outside, of course, Lou got out and took a shower. I did not, because we were staying at campsites. I'm like, I'm gonna shower there. But he went and showered there. Another one of my favorite showers was in northern Spain in Basque Country. It was technically a beach shower, but it was a little bit removed from the beach. And I don't know why. I think it was because we had just gotten back in the van after the holidays and it was freezing outside. And there's something so refreshing about taking a shower outside in freezing weather. It's like horrible and amazing at the same time. And that is definitely outdoor showering year round, even when you're winter camping in a van, can be a little bit brutal. But over time you get used to it. And I find with taking showers outside when it's cold out, my best tip is to work out before. It seems like brutal to also work out in that weather, but once you get your body temperature up, taking a shower in cold water in cold weather, it becomes much more manageable. So that would be my biggest tip. Also, if you have long hair like mine, you do not need to wash your hair every time you shower, because during warm weather, that's totally fine. I just let my hair air dry. But when it's cold out and you don't get to be in a warm place, having a cold shower with cold hair and then going into a cold van, it's not a great recipe. So I would just say you don't need to wash your hair that much, or at least I don't. That works well for me. I feel like that is one of the most luxurious days in a van, is a day that we've both showered, shampooed our hair, are fully clean, and have done laundry, and the sheets are new and fresh and clean. And when you go into bed and everything is crisp and clean, and if you have clean laundry and clean pajamas, that my friend, is a very good day in the van. It's rare, and you get used to everything being dirty all over again, and that's totally fine, and that's how we live most of our life. But the days that are clean are a really special treat. So that's how you shower in a van. It's not that complicated. It's totally manageable, and yeah, showering is no longer an issue in my book when it comes to van life. And that's our shower. Whew. It works really well. You don't need much. Oh my gosh. Just trying to take a showering thumbnail and Lou almost gets bitten by this snake. This lens does not do it justice. That is a big, angry snake. Lou, you almost got bitten.
Yeah.
That was scary.
I've been everywhere, but I'm alright now. I'm alright.
What are you doing over here, mister?
In my own despair, but I'm alright.